Quantum fiber internet not working. Here's how to easily fix it. I'm going to tell you how to fix your quantum fiber internet. 1. Restart your smart NID or modem. Unplug the power cord from the smart NID, or again the modem. Wait at least 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Wait 2 to 3 minutes for it to fully reboot. If you have a wall-mounted modem, avoid unplugging the green fiber cables. 2. Check for service outages. Open the Quantum Fiber app or sign into your account online to see if there's a known outage in your area. You can also enable service notifications to receive alerts about outages and restoration updates. 3. Test your Wi-Fi pods. If you're using 360 Wi-Fi pods, try unplugging the Ethernet cable from the current primary pod and connecting it to a different pod. If the new pod works, the original may be faulty. Contact Quantum Fiber support for a replacement if needed. 4. Use a wired connection. Connect a computer directly to your modem using an Ethernet cable. If the internet works, the issue might be with your Wi-Fi pods or router. Consider using a third-party router in bridge modem for better performance. 5. Contact customer support. If none of these steps resolve the issue, reach out to Quantum Fiber's community success team via phone or chat. They can assist with further troubleshooting or schedule a technician visit if necessary.